residential status problems of an individual. Okay, if you like my class, please subscribe VDR channel and click bell icon, share, comment. Okay, residential status of individual. Total income how determined? If he is a resident, if he is not a resident, not ordinary resident, or non-resident. Okay, in previous class we discussed the incidence of tax. Okay, how it will be taxable in the different categories. Calculate taxable income of Ram Charan for the assessment year 2022-23. Okay, profit from a business in Vijayawada. It means income earned in India and received in India. Income earned in India and received in India, 10,000. The amount will be taxable under three heads: resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Three taxable items. Dividend from Indian company is exempted. Dividend from a company means dividend from Indian company is exempted from tax. Okay. Income from agriculture in Bangladesh. Bangladesh, it is, if it is agriculture income in India is exempted. Bangladesh means it will be taxable in the resident. Okay, it will be taxable in the resident, 5,000. Salary received in India, 9,800 computed, but the service is rendered for the same in the Iran. So salary received in India but accrued in Iran. It means earned in India and received outside India. It will be taxable under three categories: resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Income from business controlled from India and in Pakistan, 10,000 rupees and remitted to India. So earned in Pakistan and received in Pakistan but controlled from India. Earned in Pakistan and received in Pakistan but controlled from India. It will be taxable under two categories: resident and not ordinarily resident. Next, income earned and received in Pakistan and from bank deposit there. Earned outside India and received outside India, it will be taxable under resident. Okay. Income accrued in India but received in Iran, it will be taxable in three categories: earned, accrued in India but received in Iran. It will be taxable under three categories: resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. You are required to calculate the total income of Finesse is resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Okay, let us see the solution. Calculation of taxable income of Ramcharan for the assessment year. Particulars: resident, resident but not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Okay, first point, profit from a business in Vijayawada, 10,000. It will be taxable under three categories: resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Okay, dividend from Indian company means exempted. So nil, nil, nil. Income from agricultural income in Bangladesh, it will be residential, will be taxable, 5,000. Salary received in India, 9,800 and computed, but the service rendered in the Iran. So you earned outside India and received within India, it means taxable under three categories: 9,800, 9,800, 9,800. Next, income from a business controlled from India, earned in Pakistan and remitted to India. So earned in Pakistan and received in Pakistan, later remitted to India. So it is controlled from India. It is taxable under resident and not ordinary resident. So 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. Income earned and received in Pakistan from a bank deposits. So received outside India, earned outside India, it will be taxable in resident, 5,000. Income accrued in India but received in Iran, earned in India but received in Iran, it will be taxable under three categories. Okay, rupees amount 5,000. 5,000. Total income. Okay, let us total the question. Solution. 10,000, 15,000, 9,800, 10, 15, 20, 20,000, 44,800. Next, 10, 20, 25, 25 plus 25,000 plus 9,800, 34,800. Next, 10 plus 5, 15,000 plus 9,800, 24,800. This is the total income of channel for the assessment year. It will be calculated. Okay. Next, we have to see the another problem. Calculate total income of M.K. Gandhi under resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Okay, profit from a business in a Hyderabad, 25,000 rupees. It is taxable under resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Dividend from cooperative society, it means it is income earned in India and resident in India. So it will be taxable under resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Income from agricultural in China, it means taxable under resident. Salary received in Mumbai, 96,000, but the service are rendered in the same service rendered in the USA. It means earned in India, received in India, but the same service rendered in the USA. It means earned outside, received in India, taxable under resident, not ordinary resident, non-resident. Income from a business in Pakistan, 24,500, remitted to India, controlled from India. It means earned in Pakistan, received in Pakistan, but controlled from India. It is taxable under resident and not ordinary resident. Okay. Income earned and received in Sri Lanka. Income earned and received in Sri Lanka from a bank deposits. It means earned outside India, received outside India. It will be taxable under resident. Income accrued in India but received in Japan. Accrued in India and received in Japan. It is taxable under three categories: resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. You are required to calculate taxable income of Mr. Gandhi if he is a resident but not ordinary resident and non-resident. Okay, let us have to see the solution. Solution. Calculation of total income of M.K. Gandhi for the assessment year. Okay, particulars: resident but not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Resident but not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Profit from a business in Hyderabad, it means earned in India, received in India, 25,000. It will be taxable under three categories: resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Dividend from cooperative society, 5,000. It will be taxable under three categories: resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Income from agricultural in China. China means it will be taxable under resident, 20,000. Salary received in Mumbai, earned in received in India, but the same service rendered in the USA. It means taxable under three categories: received in India, earned outside India, taxable under resident, not ordinary resident, and non-resident. Income from business in Pakistan. So earned in Pakistan, received in Pakistan, but controlled from India. It means taxable under two categories: 24,500, 24,500. Next, income earned and received in Sri Lanka. Income earned and received in Sri Lanka from bank deposits, 15,000. It means it is taxable under resident. Okay. Next, income accrued in India but received in Japan. So earned in India but received in Japan, taxable under three categories, 17,000. Let us calculate the total income. Okay, let us total the solution. 25 plus 5, 30, 50, 50,000, 96,000, 24,500, 15,000, 17,000, 2 lakhs, 2,500. Okay, 30,000, 96,000, 24,500, 17,000, 1,67,500, 30,000, 96,000, 17,000, 1,43,000. Okay, those are the problems. Some more problems will be discussed in the next class. Okay, if you like my class, please subscribe VDR channel, click bell icon, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you very much.